Well, this is a little short video. This is what I am seeing. He is just posing, but I am not going to take a closer look. I'm not going to zoom. Well, you can zoom in if you want to, but yeah. He's just standing there. And is he strutting? Yes, he is strutting his stuff. Yes, he is. Yep. See, you don't see this too often. And so, man, it's getting in my shot. Look at, he's got moves. But I'm gonna cross the street here. Yeah, I'm not gonna take a closer look. You don't wanna startle a fella, a big fella. But yeah, you don't, yeah. Let's see, is he? Okay, this is a good shot, but a couple of minutes of this. And let's just see what is he's gonna do. He's censoring. His beak is in the air. Now, put your comment down below if you can name this bird. Now, he is just fascinating. Let's just see how long is he's gonna stand there. Well, alright, that's enough for today. I'm gonna wave at the fella. Some people will actually try to get like super close. I mean, I don't want to disturb its peace, because when you disturb an animal's peace out of nowhere, you might not get the response that you're looking for, depending on its mood and how you startled them. How you approach wild animals in the wild. But yes, now that car was blocking my view. But yep, I think he's calling out for its friends. But yeah, well, that's enough excitement.